Hi, in this video we are going to see advanced filters. So in previous video we have covered the what is the filter. Normal filter is there in the same group, right? On the same, like under data tab, within sort and filter group, we have one option called advanced. This is for the advanced filter. If you click on that advanced filter, like this window will be open, where we have to provide three parameters actually. First parameter is, it will ask filter the list in the place. So what data you want to filter, it will ask for the list. And then range criteria you have to provide. So as of now I have selected this range, so that's it is there. Like I have, while applying this, while I clicking on the advanced, right, I have keep that my cursor here, it gets selected entire region. This entire region got selected, but in the case you want, you can select it and click on the advanced filter. Okay, so if you see n, from E1 to N, 555 rows got selected. But in the case if you have not selected and you have clicked that one, okay, sometime it don't get selected. So in that case we have to validate whether that whatever range I wanted on the filter, it is got selected or not. So entire range has to be selected. If you are not sure about that whether it is got selected or not, we can manually select that one. And once I selected, I click OK. Then filter in the list in the same place, so or copy another. So filter the list in the same place. At that time whatever the data we are saying, it will, the filter will apply there. But in the case I want whatever the filter document in the different cell, we can put that here, copy another location. And then criteria, what is the criteria, which on the normal filter we will be using drop down and we will be selecting IT department of finance or HR, right? The similar way we have to provide with the header, with header name. See, the name should be same as what name I have here, with the same name. So I wanted to filter from the H column, so I have selected that the criteria as H. And then what I'll do is, I will copy to cell. It is asking where you want to paste, so I will select this one. From the T column it should get pasted. So I'm clicking OK. As soon as I click OK, what you will see, whatever related to the finance, this column, right, sorry, it getting selected here, it will be make mess. I will remove everything there, or else it will create a problem for us. I removed everything, then I have selected this. Okay, and then what I'll, if you see, I'm just scrolling here in department, as of now finance, so it will filter finance and paste data here. And I'm clicking OK here. As soon as I click here, if you observe, the entire table got pasted here and with the department finance. So only we have finance here, and all the got pasted. This got changed here. Similar way, if I now I'll put IT here in this criteria. Okay, or else if you want to some different place, we can have this copy. I'm pasting here as a criteria here. I'll put as IT. Now I'll do again, I'll select this data, and this time again I click on the advanced filter. The range got selected correctly because I know E1 to the N, 555 rows has to be selected. I will click on the copy to another location because I don't want to edit or disturb this data. Then criteria range, what is the criteria range? I will select the criteria range here, so this one, and the column heading should be the same or else it will not work. Then IT, I have selected the IT department, and now I will give the location where I want to paste the data. So I will click here, I will paste from the AI or AJ column. It can be anywhere, wherever you want. So I am clicking on OK, and hitting enter. So if you observe, this entire list got pasted here. So whatever we have put the criteria as IT, and it happens. Say for example, I change it to the finance BPO. I change it to the BPO here, and then what I'll do is I'll select this one. I click on the advanced filter, and it will ask for the what range is correct selectly. Then I'll put as the, so if you put on the filter data in the list, you will observe here the copy to it is not visible. We cannot edit anything. So as soon as we click on copy to another location, that time it is asking for the location. If you don't click that this one, then it will become optional. And if you see the data, whatever the data we had here, it got overwritten. So I will uncheck that. Now what I'll do is I will again select this one, click on the advanced, and then I will ask for the copy to another location. What is the cell range? It is a range got selected here. Then it will ask for the criteria, and this time I will put as a BPO. It is already selected here, BPO. Click OK, and copy to cell where you want. So it is already selected. Let's see, and click OK. So if you observe, all the BPO, whatever the BPO department got pasted here. So this is the how we can use our advanced filter. One more thing is there, in the case not in here on this, it is not necessary like data should be pasted in this space itself. It can be on the different sheet. You can have here, if say for example I want to paste in the sheet 4, I can still paste on the sheet 4. But what we have to do, we have to select this cell, one cell, any cell we can select it, then click on the advanced filter, and this time it will ask for the list range. So while selecting the, like we have to click on this to select the list range. I will go, and here I will select entire list here. I click OK. Then it will for the criteria range. So I have to give the criteria range. Then again I will go to the sheet, and this time I will take this one, IT finance, okay, and click OK. Then it will ask for the copy. So I put copy to another location. Now it will ask for the location. So I will put, say for example I put cell range. So let me select, I click on the cell range as the C, click on this, and hit. As soon as I click OK, if you observe that my data got pasted here in the sheet 4, whatever the finance related data, it got pasted here. Similar way, if I want to take in the some other book, so I have created one new book here. I close that. I will show you how I have created a new book. I will click on that, open a new book, workbook, blank workbook. If you see, book 3 got created here. Now I want the data to be pasted here from our this main source file. This is our source file. So what we can do is we will select this one. We will select it. Only one thing you have to keep in mind, where we wanted to get the data from that sheet, right? So that sheet we have to select, click on here, and put on the data advanced, click on advanced. Now it will ask for the select list range, the source where it is available. So it is available here. I will select this one, entire cell, entire table I have selected. Click on this, then criteria range. It will ask for the criteria range. Again I have to go to this sheet. I'll select the criteria range as this as department here, or this time we can use this one, BPO department. I click OK. Then it will ask for the copy to where you want to copy. So I will put as a C column I want. I click OK, and as soon as I hit OK, I should be getting all BPO record here. Sometime we have to find the multiple condition, right? If I want to have a condition on the department and then second condition on the date, right? So that one also we can do. So to do that, just select this one, click on the advanced filter, copy to another location, then range is my range is correctly selected correctly only. We have the entire range selected. So I'll click on that. Then criteria range, I have to use the criteria range as a both. I have to update at the both criteria, date and department. Click on OK. Now it will ask again for the which location you want to copy. I will put as the EJ column. Click here and hit. As soon as I hit OK, I should be getting whatever the data belong to the BPO and the date for the January 1st. I click OK. So if you see, I got the data as a BPO which was expected, department as BPO, this is the what expected, and I should be having date as a January 1st. The similar way you can apply for the multiple conditions. Whatever the condition you want to apply, you can apply. That is not a problem. Hope you have understand the advanced filter, and if you have any clarification, let's put on this our comment box. We will get that question and we will clarify for you. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.